Hello friends, welcome back to this session. Let's start the session. Linux hardening with OpenSCAP. In this session, we discuss the security, the standard compliance, and reporting. What is the SCAP? A framework of libraries and tools to improve the accessibility of SCAP and enhance the usability of the information it represents. So OpenScape project is the collection of open source tool for implementing enforcing standard. SCAP stands for Security Content Automation Protocol is the collection of standard and managed by the National Institute of Standard and Technology NIST. So SCAP is the approach to maintain the security and verifying the security patches configuration settings of the machine. OpenSCAP component is library and toolkit. Library basically provide API to SCAP document processing and evaluation. Toolkit is a command line tool that provides the various SCAP capabilities, for instance, configuration scanner, vulnerability scanner, content validation and transformation. For each of the SCAP component mentioned, the standard define the document format by syntax and semantics of the internal data structure. All the component standard are based on the XML and each component standard defined it on XML name is SCAP. Any tool which is certified against SCAP 1.2 is required to be understand all the previous version of the component standard. OpenScape base tool are OpenScape Base and OpenScape Workbench. So basically OpenScape Base is providing the command line interface to examining the security, content, vulnerability and configuration scanning. The SCAP Workbench is provide the graphical interface. So friend, below are the command to install the OpenScape in the CentOS 8 and these command for information. OpenScape reporting. So friend, in this practical, we are using XCC, DF and OVL. So these command for CentOS 8 and this command for OVL and how to run this benchmark in GUI mode. These are the result. So friend, we also use OpenScape in the Windows environment. So you can download from here. After download, just you install this installation software. These are the steps. So friend, we are using XCCDF or OVL for reporting purpose. So what is the XCCDF? XCCDF, the Extensible Configuration Checklist Description Format. The primary uses of the checklist language standard are authoring checklist and executing checklist. XCCDF is a checklist language most often used for security checklist. It is meant to be transformed into the human readable format. Next, what is OVL? OVL, the Open Vulnerability Assessment Language. OVL is an open specification to represent the technical aspect of evaluating compliance with a security guidance line item such as the installation of the specific patch. So friend, for practical, we are using CentOS 8. So now we can start to install the OpenSCAP. Press Y. So we have successfully had the repository. Second command for installation. Scanner and security guide. Press Y. So friend, successfully installed. So I just check the information using this command. Press enter. So friend, next command to generate the XCCDF report. So first we create one directory, that is mkdir open scap cd open scap. So friend is starting the generating the report. So see friend, we have given the target in current location. So that's why is generating the report here. So next command for download the XML file. See friend, here one file is download com.redhat.rhsa-rhel 8.xml file for OVL report, vulnerability detection and patch detection. So this command for generating the vulnerability detection and patch detection. So same thing is I'm using output is OVL report.html in the current directory. Press enter. So now check. So friend, two file is generating OVL report.xml, OVL report.html. So now download that file to our local system and show you the result. So friend, we have downloaded both the file from the server. I just open and show you the result. So friend, this is OVL report. In this report, you just see here is the system IP address is 172.17.73.42 and the host name is satellite server. Operating system is CentOS Linux and version is 8. So just see in this result he is showing true, true, and there is no error. So true, true, everything is good. So friend, so he is checking 497 schema and there was no issue found. OVL report. So friend, here is XCCD report. So in this report, see here is the target server name is satellite server and the target IP address is 172.17.73.42. Compliance and scoring. So see here friend, there was no failed or uncertain result. It seems that no action is necessary. So click all result details. So friend, here in this result, he is checking some security parameters, some standard. So you follow these guidelines to improve your security. So friend, you read carefully and implement these guidelines to your production environment. So that is depend on the your best practice and your environment. So friend, thank you for watching this video. Please share, please like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, please let me know on comment box. Thank you.